So in today's video we will take a look at how we can write the first Java program. So for that I am making one folder for in which all the files of Java will be saved. Okay, and I will use Notepad as my Java program editor, and I am not naming it right now. Okay, so first of all we will learn how we can do commenting in Java. So there are two types of commenting: single line commenting and multi-line commenting. So if you want to do single line commenting, then you will have to do two forward slashes like this, and you can write anything. This is my first Java program. And if you want multi-line commenting, then do forward slash star star forward slash, and this is multi-line commenting. The compiler will not compile these lines of code. First Java program. I love programming. Okay, so this is what all about commenting. So commenting is basically used for different types of headings of your large code. Okay, so commenting is basically used for the explanation purpose of all your small blocks of codes. So now now we will take a look at how we can write first Java program. So all the programs of Java are written inside the class. So I am naming it as class problem 1. Okay, and this class has been described inside the pair of curly braces. So inside this, if you know C programming, then you must have known that every C program has a main method, which is basically we write like this: void main. So here it is also like that. Here is a main method, but we will just give some more specialities to this, like public. Public is used for the purpose of accessing. So whatever we will write inside the void method, all the things can be accessed by the Java compiler. And static is written for the purpose that in every Java program the static keyword written method or variable is accessed first. So first of all the static keyword will be accessed. So here we are writing static, so the void main method will be accessed first by the Java compiler in our program. So for that purpose we are writing static here. Inside the braces we will write string args. Right now it is not a time to understand this thing, but you can just remember for right now. And the void main method has also curly braces, and inside this we are writing system.out.println, and this is our first program. At the end of each line we will give semicolon, so that all the blocks of code will be differentiated. So just take a look at the program. This program will print this is our first program. Okay, but what is this system.out.println? So here system is a basic Java built-in class where you can access the println method. Okay, so what is this method? Method is used for the purpose of accessing different kind of things. If you are making a car, then you are giving some functionalities to it. Okay, if you want to change the gear, what you do? You just change the gear with the use of gearbox. So the method actually used for this purpose, to access different kind of things and to build other stuff. So here system is a inbuilt class of Java which is provided by Java. You don't have to make a program for that. And println is a method. You can also write like this, without use of ln. So it will just not go to the second line, it will print on the same line. If you are writing other lines of code like this, and I'm changing just a content like color, anything else, and now we will compile this one. But before compiling it, I will give a name. So there is a convention in it in Java that the class which contain the main method of Java, the name of that class is given to the program file. So here the name of the class is problem1. So we will name the file as problem1.java and we will save it. And now for compiling this program, we will open cmd command prompt as we did in the last video, and just go to the D drive because we have saved it inside the D drive. So to change the drive, we will write the name of the drive and colon, and yes, and cd space java. Okay, so what was the name of that? First we will compile it, problem1.java. Okay, we compile it successfully. If you will do any compile time error, it will not allow you to run this program. And yes, you can see that in the first line we had written a method name as println, so it will go to the new line. But in the second and third line, we did not give the name of the method as println, but we gave it as print, so it will not give us a new line, which is basically a new line character. Yes, okay, so we successfully compiled our first Java program. In the next video we will see some basic OOP concepts. Do like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon.